Okay, so in this demo, I want to make sure that we package this. So we've done this before, but I'll show you again. Um, After I package it, I'll show you how to export it, and then we'll do the SWF into a PDF. So let's start with the package. So we're going to go to File, Package. And again, the package takes everything that's in this document and then packages it in one folder. So this is stuff that you want to do whenever you're sending things off to the printer. Like if you're using different types of fonts, you want to make sure you package those within that folder so the printing press has your fonts, for example. So here we're going to say package. And on this page, just click continue. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to save this to my desktop, portfolio 1 folder, and it's going to have all my stuff in there. And I'm going to say package. So now it's just packaging all my stuff. And actually, if I go to my desktop, I should be able to see that portfolio right there. Great. So that's how we packaged all of our stuff. Now let's actually turn our pages into a SWF file. So if you go to File and you export, so it's a little bit different than what we've been doing before. I'm actually going to find that Portfolio 1 folder because I want that inside there. So we'll keep the title Portfolio 1. We want to make sure it's Flash Player, which is the SWF file, so it allows you to play in Flash. After you say that, or make sure that's correct, click Save. Okay, so you can actually kind of keep this the way it is, but I can explain a few things on here. So we want to make sure when we export it that we're exporting all of the pages. Now, if there are a certain amount of pages you want to export, you can do that by clicking range. But in this instance, don't worry about it. We can generate a HTML. So it'll actually open up the file in HTML. It'll actually open it up on Internet Explorer, or it'll open up in Firefox, whatever you're using. And it'll also you can also view this after exporting. I actually don't, so I'll uncheck that. And we can keep this at 100%. We can keep the paper color the way it is. We don't want transparent because we don't have anything transparent. Any interactivity in media we definitely want to include. Now this is really neat here, the page transition. This is where you can change how the pages are going to transition. So I'm going to keep the fade effect. This is why we don't need a button to help us go to the next page, because we have an interactive page curl that we can include. As long as that's checked, that way the people who are using, or your users, can flip through your PDF because you've included the interactive page curl. So we're going to say OK. So now it's going to generate that SWF and HTML file.